मेरा कोई भाई नहीं है, कोई बाप नहीं है. Like I am just having my mother. She is my everything. She did everything. And after her, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif. I am very thankful to you. Like today, I am standing here. It's just because of you. मैं आज यहाँ बोल रही हूँ, ये सब आपकी खातिर है. You did this for all of us. You had given us the chance to stand here. You had given us the chance to move in all the elite class people. Like आपने हमें वो मौका दिया. आपने हमारे अंदर वो differences खत्म किए. That rich and poor, there is no concept. Everybody can compete. हर कोई मुकाबला कर सकता है. Either that belongs to a poor family, that belongs to a rich family. No matter where from you belong, the spirit in you and the help and guidance from some blessings of God. You know, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, he is a blessing from God. The respected staff of Dani school system, the head office, the every management people, each and everyone is the blessing for all of the students of Dani school. Every campus, either they're from Hasilpur, like Chishtiyan, Rahim Khan, Deda Ghazi Khan. Thank you so much to all of you for being here, for us, for all the Dani system. Keep supporting us. Thank you so much.